Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off the home button vibration in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now here in apps, click on choose default apps and then click on digital assistant app. Now here you will see a vibration button. So if you want to turn off the home button vibration, then turn off this button. And if you want to turn on the home button vibration, then tap on this button again to turn it on. So with this button you can turn on or off the home button vibration in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.